Tom has travelled from Aberystwyth to Anglesey to visit his cousin, Leah. Leah lives on a farm. Tom is very excited. Yes! But the parents are busy. Luckily, Bob the sheepdog is around to keep an eye on the children. I'd better keep an eye on these two. Oh no, where are they going? Yes, let's climb up there, says Tom. Oh, good idea, says Leah. A silly idea on a farm. You could fall. Get back down here. Do you want to play with the cows? Says Leah. You bet. That's a great idea, says Tom, as they race across the yard. No, animals can hurt little children. Don't. Never go into a field with farm animals without Mum or Dad.
Phew, nice one, Bob.
How about giving a hand with the shearing then, says Tom. I like helping on the farm. Me too, says Leah. The children run into the shearing shed, feeling excited and making a lot of noise. Oh no, it can be dangerous in the shearing shed. Children could frighten the sheep and touch the sharp machinery.
Nice one, Bob.
The shearers are about to shout and the sheep about to bleat when Bob arrives. Slowly and carefully, he steers the children back out before there's an accident. Thanks, Bob, says the shearer. Come back with Mum later if you'd like to help pack the wool. Bob hopes he can have a nap now. But no, the children still want to play. Hey, says Tom. That's Grandad on the big blue tractor. It is too, says Leah. Let's get on the tractor with him. They run across the field towards the yard. Bob jumps suddenly to his feet and races after them. The children are nearly in front of the enormous wheels of the big blue tractor, and Grandad can't see them. Hello, Grandad, says Leah with a wave. But he can't see her. No, little children should stay away from tractors. Bob jumps on the bonnet and gives Grandad such a fright he stops the tractor immediately. Phew, nice one, Bob.
Oh my word, nice one, Bob.
At long last, the children start playing with a ball, but it flies over the fence to the slurry pit. No problem. Somebody has forgotten to lock the gate. I'll get it, says Tom. No, nobody should go anywhere near the slurry pit. Bob barks furiously and runs like the wind. Phew, nice one, Bob. Well, what a busy day. This is where little children like Tom and Leah should be. They both play happily and safely, and Bob deserves his nap.